The world of finance has changed. In 2026, trading isn't just for Wall Street, it's for anyone with a smartphone and a strategy. But how do you cut through the noise and actually start making progress? Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate roadmap to start trading this year, even if you've never seen a candlestick chart before. Step 1. Choosing your market. First, you need to pick your battlefield. In 2026, you have three main options: stocks, forex, or crypto. Stocks represent ownership in companies. Forex is the global exchange of currencies. Crypto offers high volatility and 24/7 access. Don't try to master all at once. Pick one, learn its rhythm, and stay focused. Step 2. The foundation, technical analysis. Trading isn't gambling. It's about probabilities. You must master technical analysis. Start with the basics. Support and resistance, identifying where the price bounces or stalls. Candlestick patterns. Learn to read the hammer or doji. They tell you who's winning, the buyers or the sellers. Trend lines. Always remember, the trend is your friend until the very end. Step 3. Risk management and tools. In 2026, the best traders aren't the ones who make the most money. They're the ones who lose the least. Never risk more than 1% of your capital on a single trade. Use modern tools like AI-driven analytics and reliable platforms with low spreads. Most importantly, start with a demo account. Practice with virtual money until your strategy proves profitable. Last step 4, the mindset. Trading is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. Stay disciplined, keep a journal, and don't let emotions drive your clicks. The markets are open. Are you ready? If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button for more 2026 trading insights. Let's grow together.